In this video, we'll show you how to install Parrot OS, a platform favored by security researchers, pen testers, and for general use as well. It's free, open source, and based on Debian Linux. Welcome to InstallationGuide. First, we need to visit the official Parrot OS website and download the version that suits your needs. Parrot OS is available in various system architectures, including a Home Edition, Security Edition, Cloud Edition, and many more. If you're a system security expert or an ethical hacker, then Parrot OS is an excellent choice. This OS comes with over 600 pre-installed tools and software, simplifying your work. Today, we'll focus on installing the security version of Parrot OS. This video provides just an installation guide and overview. If you're interested in more videos on this OS, please leave us a comment below. First, click on Download and select the ISO file. For this demonstration, I am using a virtual computer. After downloading the OS, we will begin the installation. The installation process is straightforward. At the beginning, you'll have the option to either install or try the OS. Parrot OS offers a live boot feature, allowing you to test the OS and explore its options and features before installation. If you find the OS suits your needs, you can proceed by clicking Install Parrot on the desktop. During the installation wizard, you'll need to select your location and language first. Then, choose the disk where you want to install the OS. Create a username and password for the root user and click on Install. After the installation, your Parrot OS will be ready to use, complete with a wide array of pre-installed software, meaning you won't have to worry about installing basic applications. That's all for now. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. If you like our videos, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, remember to subscribe and follow for more technical videos. If there's more you want to learn, please let us know in the comments so we can bring more videos to you. InstallationGuide, where installation is made easy.